Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I have a little small business haul to show you. I ordered from Polka Dot Pinecone, otherwise known as Monty on YouTube. And I ordered from Happy Kawaii I can't even talk. Happy Kawaii Supplies on Etsy. So I'll show you. Let me show you Monty's first. So Monty is the Polka Dot Pinecone here on YouTube. I'm gonna link her channel below. And I was watching a video from Craft Purge where Monty was having a de-stash sale on her channel, and Tony had the cutest Halloween papers that she got from Monty, and I'm like, I'm subscribed to Monty, so I'm like, how did I miss this video? So anyways, I'll show you what I ordered from Monty, and she had a ton of stuff in her video, guys, and I've recently talked to her and she still has stuff left. So, okay, so let me show you the papers. So this was from, what collection was this from? This was from Bootiful Nights, B-O-O, Bootiful Nights. So there's one side of the paper, and then here's the other side. Those super cute purple cats. I got a couple of those. Then I got this cute paper here. I think I only got Bootiful Nights. And here's what it looks like on the other side. Oh wait, what does the cats look like on the other side? I don't think I showed you guys that. Oh yeah, I did. Okay, never mind. Don't listen to me. And then let's see. I got the striped paper. And then on the other side, looks like this. And let's see, I got two more papers from her. I got the candy corn. And then I'm gonna put my monitor back because it's casting a shadow. Then I got that's what was on the other side of the candy corns. Let me move my monitor, hold on. Get it out of the light so it stops casting a shadow. Hopefully that's better. Okay, so the candy corns, and then on the back was the spider webs, and then I got this paper, and then on the back it's got the diagonal black and white stripes, and I think those were all the papers I got. And then she sent me a free gift by Bo Bunny. Super cute. It's called Wonderfully Wicked Foil Vellum. Then I also ordered from her some straws, some Halloween straws. These are by American Crafts, and I thought those were fun for Halloween. And then she sent me another free gift of these. Look at these cute stickers. That looks totally like a candy bar. So cute, and the little candy apples. So that was Monty. Then I've got one more package, which is the Happy Kawaii Supplies. And the reason why I ordered from them was because I was looking for little stuff for my shaker mix, for my bee shaker mix that I want to make, and I found these super cute little sunflowers. So I was like, yes please. And then of course while I was there I was like, what do they have? What else do they have? So I found, let's see, I saw these adorable cats on brooms, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need those. And these little ghosties with their funny little tongues hanging out. And then I found these super cool pink eyeballs. And I found another set of cats that were really cute. Let me see, I think that's, yeah. So there's this set of cats, and it also comes with a black one. And these are so tiny. I didn't even pay attention to the size, but they're little teeny tiny little metal ghosts, and I thought I would just put them in a shaker mix, but there's not very many of them and they're so small, so I might still end up doing it. And then I did the same thing with these little itty bitty spider webs. And then I got these are like little sequins, and they're just like clear ghosts. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see those. Let me put it up against, maybe you'll be able to see up against black. Hold on, let me get this phone. No, because that's gonna turn on. What's on the back of this paper? Oh, perfect, this paper is like a black color. Okay. Can you see those? They're like little ghosts. And it's just like a little bag of sequins. So I thought those were cute. And I think they sent me a little thank you. They did. I also have a couple more things from there. Yeah, I've got a couple more really cute things from there. So they sent me this thank you with these cute little unicorn cabochons. So those are cute. Then I also found this, which I thought was cute Halloween colors, and it would go good in a shaker mix, and it's faux candy. And then I found these. So I got these super cute. I got the small packages, like they have like 3 sizes you can choose from, but I got these candy corns and they have little faces on them, you guys. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And they come in these little tiny containers. And then I found these little coffins. And then, oh, I found this little mix. I thought I got the bigger one of this mix, but I guess I got the smaller one because I figured I would use this the most, but it's got pumpkins and stars and like little circles and stuff. So yeah, that was my small business haul. I'm gonna link Monty's channel below. In fact, I'll link the video. She's got some other videos where she has like giveaways and other, you know, de-stash stuff going on. So I would say definitely check her channel out and subscribe to her because she has really good deals. And then I will also link Happy Kawaii Supplies Etsy shop. You guys, warning, you're gonna get lost there because they just have so many good things. I've ordered from them before. I've shown you guys hauls from them before where I've gotten really cute, like I have their card over here from another order that I did in the past. Like I order from them all the time. I love their stuff. They have the cutest little cabochons and stuff. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you're all doing well. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.